Well, hello. It is indeed that time again. Uh, we're not on Minecraft today. And hang on, the stream started. Oh my god, guys, stream started at the right time this time. That's insane. So yeah, we're not playing Minecraft today. We're doing something else. We're gonna be making a video. So we started this last week. Well, didn't start, but we started the live process of it, like the live bit, last week. So yeah, if you don't know, I'm working on a video right now where I play Minecraft using a clarinet. Um, we've got a very, very, very bare bones but working prototype for the auto movement, like simulated key presses. However, the rest of it is kind of a mystery right now. Now we did track down a site where the HTML for the frequency is public, so we can try and program something to monitor that specific line of the HTML, which is good. That's a very good thing. That is going to save us a lot of effort, a lot of time that we otherwise wouldn't have. So, how you doing, History Master? How you doing, De Bruyne? Welcome. I hope you're both doing well, and Alex, I think. So, yeah. We got up to working on the first proper test. So what I'll probably need to do, show clip of simulated. If I can actually spell right, that'd help. Simulated key press working in Minecraft. Alright, cool. Yeah, so that's really where this is really where we got up to last stream. We got the key press to work, which is very good. I will show you the code that we've got right now. This is the code. 2 minutes in. Yeah, for some reason my chat is not working. What? Hang on. Sorry, my chat's working on my laptop. Not my laptop, on my PC, but not on my phone. Yeah, so sorry, I've kind of missed some messages. Of course, Tuesday stream dead. Yeah. So she says so again. It's a buffering because connection issue. Yeah, okay, let's want to get more viewers. Okay. Yeah, chat is dead. I mean, yeah, just chat a bit. It might help. I don't know. I'm not expecting viewers. I am not expecting viewers this stream. Because this is the boring bit. Unless you're into like coding and computer science, this is the boring bit, okay? Why has one of my extensions gone? Why does Pylance need to reload? Okay. So, yeah, we've got human cursor, pi key, and time at the moment. These are the three that we're going to be using for the movements. Now, I don't know the documentation for human cursor, so hopefully they've got that there. I hope. What? That hasn't come up. HC scripter? We're not using that. Oh, here we go. Right, we're gonna have to do this by coordinates. Let's have the live chat on the stream. Oh, it's a module on Streamlabs that you could just add. Yeah, I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright, thank you. I've had one main event today, and that's I've played Red Dead. Squidward of Minecraft hits hard. Yeah. Oh, hang on. I just realized I still got VS Code open. No, there we go. I'm reading the documentation for this right now. So, cursor. So this is the documentation for human cursor. Yeah, that is genuinely like the only game I've been playing for the past week and a half. It's crazy. I installed the game on the Saturday before last, and I've already got like 35 hours in it. But yeah, the story is so good, man. The story, I'm not gonna spoil anything, but the story is so good. Alright, I just need to know, so Okay, so it's based on a coordinate system. Which, yeah, that can work. This is gonna take a lot. So 6 times it could just join. Yeah. This is gonna take... So the problem with this is gonna take at least... Right. So we're gonna have a move up, a move down, a move left, and a move right. And then we're gonna have another one for click. That's gonna take 5 more slots. And I don't think we don't really have that many left. Because we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So if we were to add those other 5, we would be left with a grand total of two more controls that we can map. Because, yeah, I don't know. I don't think human cursor is really gonna be it for us. Because obviously I've got to figure out how to actually, like, craft stuff. Yeah, look, move by offset. Move the cursor to the element. Oh, wait, this is all web pages. Oh. I don't even think we'd be able to... I don't even think this will work. No, human cursor is not going to work. Got a video making. Clarinet video. The Minecraft Clarinet video. I don't... Yeah, I don't think this will work how I thought it'd work. Good luck, you're gonna need it. Thank you, yeah. I am indeed gonna need it. Unless we launch HT Scripter. Because, yeah, like... Press C. Okay, so we can just get it to simulate a key press. The problem is going to be actually, like, moving. Because we're going to have to do that all. I think this might just be... Good luck on hitting 3K, thank you. I think this just might be a bit too much work. Python... we'll have a look again. Python module to simulate mouse movement. Good luck with the video. Thank you. Right, okay. I'm going to simulate... There you go. Tutorials point. You're kidding me. Is that actually just straight up something that's just called the mouse library? Okay, this is on a coordinate system. And then you can do left, right. Okay. You know what? My goat. Thank you for making this article, my friend. Remember GM hitting 5K and all the mods were there? Yeah, that was a crazy time. I think I was streaming when that happened because they built. Oh no, I was streaming when he got a YouTube rank. Because I remember they built the GM tower in the Hive lobby. Right, so yeah, this is just a coordinate system. I think. Yeah, I think this will be easier to do. So, this is going to sound really stupid, but what if we have a system where we map each... What, would that work? No, that wouldn't work. What am I trying to make? Minecraft using a clarinet, that's what I'm trying to make. This is what I thought would be the easy bit, but it's now a difficult bit. because I'm gonna have to simulate mouse movement, which I'm not sure how to do. Like, obviously I can do it, it's just like, so obviously we're confined to an amount of amount of inputs I can map. And this here is 29 out of the 36 inputs I will be able to have. So I need to come up with a system that I'll be able to do in less than 7 inputs. And this has got to be a full crafting system in less than 7 inputs. So I really don't know what to do. Python? Yes, this is indeed Python. Is this just for fun? Yes, this is just for fun. This is for a video. So, yeah. No, this is not for, like, an actual reason. This is just for fun. Here we go. Stack Overflow. 13 years ago. You know this is going to be good then. You know this is going to be good. PyMouse. Okay, I think generally most libraries are going to have this. So, we could do it in 5 then. It'll take a while, but we could do it in 5 with PyMouse. Or just mouse. Because if we get it to increase... Okay, so if we do it, instead of it being one fluid motion, if we do it upon input, we, it moves by a certain amount, we could do that pretty easily. But I don't think this specific module is it. I don't think mouse would work, because that seems like it will instantly go to. And I'm just hoping, because this is 13 years ago, I'm really hoping that this line here will still work. Go to terminal. It does, in fact, still work. Let's go. What am I doing for my NEA? I am doing... Oh, that's a good question. I can't remember. It's a cryptography puzzle game. That's what I'm doing for my NEA. Right, okay. PyMouse has been installed. We can get rid of human cursor. So, import PyMouse as PM. Has that recognized it? I think it has. Yeah. Okay, we can get rid of all that. We know that works. That's from last stream. So this is going to be for the... Alright, so we need to do... I think it's pm.get... Is it get position? And then it'll just get the position of the mouse. Let me look. Yes. Oh, it's just position. Okay. All lowercase. So this will get the position of my mouse, I think. If I run this, there should be no error. Huh? What do you mean there's no module called Windows? Huh? What? Okay, what if we just import PyMouse? Just import PyMouse as something. Alright, see you in a bit, De Bruyne. Right. PyMouse. There is no module named Windows. What does that mean? There isn't meant to be a module named Windows. Oh, bro, is this going to be another pip situation? Hey, Paisley, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Oh, you got to import PyMouse separate. You got to do... Oh, that's a bit silly. You got to do... Right. From PyMouse, import PyMouse. Great. And then it's... Yeah, PyMouse dot position. Okay, that should work. No module named Windows. What the hell? There isn't meant to be a module named Windows. Wait, when is this from? When is this specific answer from? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, 2018. Okay. Stream is so HD, yeah. Right. Yeah, okay. I don't think that one's working. Pi input. New haircut? No. There has not been a new haircut. No. Pi input is another one. Right, we'll try pi input then. So get rid of this. Right, okay. How do I install this? Pip install pi input, okay. Pip install pi input. Okay. So if I just import pi input as pn, and then can I just do to be another joint? Yeah, I think it is right now. Like for people speaking, yes. And then it's oh, I've got import. Okay, guess we gotta do that instead of the import pi input as pn. Okay. I am just copying this. So, mouse equals controller, apparently, is what I gotta do. And then I think that makes it so I can move it. Yeah, hang on. Right, okay. So if I do mouse dot position equals mouse dot position plus mouse dot move. We'll move that up by, I want it a significant amount, 100 pixels both ways. So if I now, hang on, I'll put, just so I have a second to move it to the center. If I do that, so that gives me a 1 second. Start fresh on YouTube channel, keep this channel at 6,000, there's no even else. Up to you, really, up to you. So if I do this, oh, hang on, I forgot the dot sleep, whoops. Oh, I've got it as T anyway. Right, okay, so T dot sleep. So if I do this. Hey! Okay, it works! You guys saw that? You guys saw that, right? Hang on. I'll do it by, like, a larger amount so you guys can see it properly. Look, if I do this. Completely moves the thing. Great. That does work. That does work. I don't know. I don't think I need this. I think I can just do mouse.move. I think that is just something I can do. Oh yeah, I don't even need the mouse position equals mouse position plus. It is just mouse.move. Great. That's exactly what I needed. Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. That is yeah, that is great. So now it's got to be an if this note's played, move it this high. So I'm gonna have to just repeat that 4 times over. That's okay. I can get that done. No problem. We'll do that in a bit though. So I just want to double check that if I just leave the mouse equals controller, the code will still run. Yes, it does. Alright, very cool. How do I stop the code from running? You know, I'll keep it running. There's nothing happening right now. It's just declaring a variable, so. Alright, cool. That is another step of the puzzle that is down. Now, this is the bit of the puzzle. This is the bit of the puzzle. This is the make or break. So we're on the instrument tuner, right? And I think I've shown you guys, but if we go inspect element, hang on, if I make it start tuning and I just capture this bit specifically, if I can, hang on. There we go. Okay, so it takes a bit because when it changes, it can get rid of it. Here, look, this is where it changes. So we are monitoring this. So now, what I need to do is I need to code a program that opens this up and scrapes all this data here and only focuses on this bit. And then when that bit changes, it reports it back to the code. And then if it's between a certain value, like if it's between the ranges of, let's say, arbitrarily 100 and 150, it'll do this. And then between 151 and 200, it does this, etc. So that's really where we're at now. This is the hurdle. Once we cross this, it is just a case of going on here and doing a ton of if and while statements. And then it's done. This is it. I want to get this to stop tuning, please. There we go. Okay, so first things first. I can't remember how to web scrape. Python web scraping. Practical introduction to web scraping in Python. Here we go. We want to extract text from HTML. So if I do this. Oh, okay. First things first. First things first. How to check if a website allows web scraping. I don't want to do anything illegal. Okay. Yeah, no thanks. Okay, how do I want to do that? Yeah, guys, this might be illegal. Robots.txt? Huh? The hell is this? The website. After the URL. Okay, so if I go like this, and then apparently if I go... Wait, no, I'm guessing it's another / robots.txt. This page cannot be found. How did they do it? Yeah, it's a / robots.txt. Part of me was just a... Part of me... I use Streamlabs, yeah. Part of me just wants me to think that that means I can. But at the same time, if I'm not, then this is genuinely illegal. Okay, I wasn't expecting that to work. I don't think this has a... I mean, right, considering the fact that the HTML is so out in the open. It is so out in the open. And also... What's this kid doing? And also, it's not like I'm doing it... I'm doing it because I want to play Minecraft using a clarinet. It's not exactly like I want to do it because I want to do something illegal. Yeah, I can't find the robots.txt for the site. So exactly, he's so hyped. He's so hyped. I don't think that's correct. You can always scrape a website. I don't... Okay. Okay, I'm not trusting anything I read on Quora. That is my golden rule. If it's on Quora, I do not trust it whatsoever. Here we go. How do I check? Right, that's if I've already got a web scraper. I don't want to do any of this. I don't want to know how. I just want to know how to check. You know what? The world was ending in 2023. Oh, yeah. People on Quora say the craziest things. I don't want to... No, the thing is, I don't... Okay. No, I don't want to download something. I just want to know But the only lead I've got is robots.txt, but that's just seemed to do... Like, if I just do forward slash, it'll actually let me. Forward slash robots.txt. It's inaccurate. It's not inaccurate. It's it only counts public subscriptions, like new public subscriptions. You know what, guys? Should I risk it for the content? Should I risk it for the content? This is potentially illegal. I think they'd understand. Look, okay, let's look at the TOS. Let's look at the TOS. This is probably the first time I've ever looked at the TOS willingly. Is there not a TOS? Who the hell is this guy? Do they have a TOS? All rights reserved. That's not a hyperlink. I don't think they have a TOS. No, oh, that means support as in support financially. I don't think they have a TOS. I think this guy actually genuinely just made this website to help people. Exactly! It doesn't have a TOS. There's nowhere where it says I can't. So that means it's fine. I'm gonna do it. Hang on, can I contact him? I can! I can! I'll just email him. Opera GX, just once. This just took me to a new window and did absolutely nothing. Okay. I guess we can't contact him, guys. Yeah, I forgot I haven't set up my email on this PC yet. I want to just email the guy and say, hey, do you mind if I web scrape your site real quick? Because it's not like I'm web scraping the whole site. I'm web scraping one line that on its own will not mean anything. It's just a number that changes. See, guys? Data scraping nor data mining are in themselves illegal. Yeah, exactly. It's not... Right. Yeah, it's not like I'm scraping names. I'm scraping a number that I generate myself. Look, I am scraping this number here. That's all I'm doing. I don't get suspended. It's only 27 minutes. Bro, this is how Kurtbro G ends. This is the end of Kurtbro G. Like, I thought... Yeah, it doesn't have a robot.txt. Hang on, I do actually just want to see, is that an actual thing? Let me just look. Google.com. If I go to Google.com and then do forward slash robots.txt, is it a real thing? Oh, it is a real thing. Okay. What does Google not allow? Search? Okay, yeah. No, you know what? Fair. I wouldn't allow those either. We're talking about Insect Crimes and switch to a guitar shooter. What's going on? This is not a guitar shooter. This is how Epic Gamer Currently lost 2.93k subscribers. If you record the page and then writing them down. I could, but that's really slow. Like, oh yeah. And also, no, the thing I need to do, the reason why it has to be online and I can't just do it myself is because that number, how I'm going to do it is when we go onto my code, if it's going to continuously monitor that number, and if the number is between two values, these values here, if it's between, like, let's say 61.74 and 65.41, it'll know it's this note. And then when it knows it's that note, it'll do a specific action. That's the plan. Yeah, the information's available. You know what? Guys, I'm doing it for the funny. I'm doing it for the funny. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, hang on. Oh, I forgot. I had a file where I was already starting this. Let me open it. Where was it? Coding. Open URL. I think? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, just as a test. The web scraper is. It's a thing that scrapes the web. So if I'll just copy and paste all this code, and then just delete the bits I don't need because this I've already pip installed it. So if I just do this, cool. So this should throw no errors. It does indeed throw no errors. Very cool. So if we get... Okay. So that's the website we want to use. Oh. So URL equals... Okay. So... Let's declare a URL. Your URL equals this. That's the URL. Then it's page equals. You're scaring me, bro. This is harmless. Well, okay. The way I'm using it is harmless. Open URL. Cool. That's appearing blank. Why is that appearing blank? No, is that legit? It's not defined. What do you mean it's not defined? It very much is it's not defined. My apologies. It is not defined. I was lying. We need to do that. Reggie, you got no idea what's going on. It's okay. Fun fact, 99% of the time the programmers don't know what's going on either. Right, okay. So what this should do... is this should just open the site. It does not open the site. Right. Guys, it did not open the site. That's because I didn't do URL. Wait, I did do URL open. So it should open that URL. And it just isn't. Alright, okay. HTML equals page.read. Guys, we're going this is crazy right now. Double brackets. Is that not defined either? No, that is defined. Why is it not happening? Why is it not working? What's... Oh, I didn't do print get code. Oh, I'm not... Hang on. Print page dot get code. Oh. Guys, it got it. It got the code, guys. Code got. Robot Studio, yeah. 200! I don't know if that's good, but it's something. Wait, hang on, does it have to be... The problem is... The URL doesn't change when you change the... Yeah, it doesn't... The URL doesn't change when you click start tuning. Which means... I think that might have to be done manually. Which is okay. That's fine. That's fine, actually. I could do that manually. So... yeah. I think if I just do print page, that should just like, yeah, okay, cool. That does what I was expecting. So, cool, we can get rid of that. Yeah, as I said, this is the boring bit. This is the boring bit. So if I do, hang on, if I do print HTML, will this just print all the HTML of the page? Yes, it will! Great! It just does! Guys, it just works. It just works, guys. That is exactly what it does. Excellent. Excellent. That is what we wanted. So now, Now what we got to do is we've got to make it. We've got to track down that one specific bit where it does the thing. You guys know what I'm on about. The frequency where it has the value of the frequency. I am just going to double check. If I refresh the page, is that still a thing? Oh. It's not a thing. Okay. Right, so it's not a thing if it's not... Right. Okay. So if you... So it's not in the HTML until it's needed. Which is fair enough. But yeah, that's not exactly the best news for me. That means... Yeah, that means this is gonna make this a little bit harder than it needs to be. Unless I'm just like not looking properly. But I think I'm looking. I think I'm looking. What if I... Yeah, so it should be in there. So where is it? Tuner canvas. Okay, it's the second main. Yeah, so it defaults to 0. And then it gets its attributes. So that's okay, because we can just monitor... So I'm guessing... Okay, see you, Alex. Bye-bye. So I'm guessing what will happen is it will return a null value if it can't find anything. Which is fine. So really, as long as it gets fed the website when it's running, this should work fine. This should work absolutely fine. Let's see if I can actually get it to go running. Shared stream. Thank you, my friend. So, yeah, that's cool. So yeah, it did just straight up print everything in the HTML. So we do want to kind of, yeah, we kind of want to not have all of that. That is a lot to have, because that is basically we've basically just got to dump the source code. So now we've got to pass through that, which should not be much trouble if it's a easy thing to do. And it's an easy thing to do. Let's go. String methods, the GOAT. The GOAT. So title index equals html.find, and we've got to find the index. And then I'm guessing it will just find the tag, and then we can just keep doing that iteratively. So if we do index equal, actually let's not call it index, so I know index is actually a thing. We'll call it our index equals html dot find, and then we want it to find. What do we want it to find? We want it to find the this bit of code here. So if can I not copy? Oh, can I think. Well, I have to just copy it as an element. So if I paste that in, so it's looking for that. Does that have to be double quotes? Oh no, I know why. It's getting confused because there's two sets of quotes. Is that all working? If I get rid of those. Oh, there we go. If I get rid of those and then add this one at the end, and then this one at the end. And then if I do that, It is not liking. It is really not liking this. What if I put it? Ah, if I put them in that, great. That's what we want. That's what we want. So if I run this, oh, and if I make it print our index instead of print HTML. Or it should be integer or bytes-like object, not string? Huh? Should it? No. No, it shouldn't. What is it on about? One of the ways to extract information from raw web's HTML is use string methods. For instance, you can find... Oh, I see. So it has to be the tag. The tag is main. Okay, so we want it to search through main. That's what we want it to do. I was getting too ahead of myself. It's searching for that now. That's what it's got to search for. But it hasn't? What? HTML.find main. Yeah, that's what I want you to do. It should return... Why is it not... Index. You get the opening slot. Why is that not working? Huh? That's confusing me. So you go through your homework. Fair enough, Zombie. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. That's really confused me. It should be returning a string. Sorry, an integer. But it just isn't. Because everything should be under main. So we're looking through all of this. Which we're working on. We're working on Minecraft Clarinet video. Right. Gotta think about this a different way then. Is it because main doesn't pass anything? That shouldn't be the problem. That should not be the problem. What's the example they've given? Right. Oh. Is there a different way to extract? So you said Minecraft Clarinet. Yeah, were you not aware of this? This has kind of been the big thing I've been working on for the whole time. Yeah, that is in fact what I'm working on. Why? I don't know why it's doing it with string methods. That's odd. We'll do a clarinet in Minecraft. Play Minecraft using a clarinet. That's what you do. It should be finding main, and it's just not. Main is the name of it, right? Yeah, main is in fact the name. Maybe it won't work unless I have the rest of it. How do you turn? Hang on, let me show you. Minecraft Java Edition does have, you can control the camera, with a mouse. So without a mouse. That's how. I can't remember the control Minecraft. Oh. Camera. No mouse. It is a thing. That's not what I want. Controls. Yeah, it's like... Let me find it. It was here somewhere. It was like you can turn camera by 45 degrees in all directions using various things. It should be here. Visual map? Is it just not a thing? I could have sworn it was a thing. It was a thing because I remember looking at it. Is it just not a thing anymore? Did they remove it while I was making this video? I could have sworn you could turn without using the controls. Old keys. It's not an old keys, no. It was a thing! I remember noting it down. Oh my god, am I getting gaslit by this? Configurable controls. It should be in here. I think you could configure them. Is it semi-configurable? No. I could have sworn you could move the mouse. You could move the camera. Okay, doesn't matter. It's a thing. It's a thing. I know it's a thing because I've done it. Right. Anyway, let's go back on this. I just don't know why this isn't working. Because it's trying to get an integer. Is it because I'm doing it like this? What if I do it like that? Invalid syntax. Great. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, yeah, remember it shouldn't be a string, but it also shouldn't not be a string. Hang on, I'm gonna copy and paste that. What are we doing now? Web scraping. Totally not illegal. Not illegal. Don't worry. Let me get the code back up. So if I change this to main and print title underscore index. Should be bytes, but what? But it okay. What if we get it to print the length of main? No. That's for the rest of the print internal. Yes, that is the goal right now. That is the goal. Minus, huh? Huh? Sorry, what? -1? Why is that -1? What? So you're telling me that this bit here is -1? I don't think that's quite right. Damn, I didn't know words could be spelt using negative numbers. That is insane to me. Is it the same? Oh, I'm a bit stupid. No, it's still -1. Wait, why is it trying to find the number 5 in the code? Oh, is it because of the line 5? No, that can't be it. Wait! Oh, I'm a bit silly. It's because main is like embedded in a ton of things. I think it wants something that it can pick out really easily. We'll try body. No, that's also still -1. What if you get rid of length? Still the length of the string inside it. Oh yeah, that is correct. Yeah, my brain's not with it today. My brain's not braining. Yeah, but then it says like, oh, should be integer. I'm copying the example, like, except for changing the thing in the brackets, I'm copying it letter for letter. And it just doesn't work. Why is find like that? That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Have I written it wrong? Apparently it doesn't. I'm not happy that .find is not. Yeah, that's really strange. Is it because I actually don't know where the body tag is in the website? Is that what it's trying to do? Yeah, it is. It is. That's what it's trying to do. And the body tag is like line 3. But it's just, it's strange. Because in the example, it's the exact same thing and it returns the number 14. But for some reason, when I put it in, it's an error. First occurrence of a substring. Right, how to check if something has a substring. Finish doing, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I can do that. Can I comment these out? No, okay. Guess we're doing that manually. Yeah, if you print HTML, it just prints all the source code. But we need to parse this. Because it's way too much. There is another method, it does say, that we can do. That I guess I could try? Hang on, let me look at the documentation. Handling modules. There you go, parsing URLs. Oh, this is URLs. Parse the URL into 6 components. Yeah, no, that's not the right thing. It's okay, new lines or tabs. Yeah. I know, it looks horrendous. I don't like it. I do not like it. It just dumps the source code. Right, URL, here we go, URL lib module. Let's see. Geeks for Geeks, come on. Geeks for Geeks, the GOAT. Better help us with this. So, we want the HTML, not the URL. Okay. Right. I should probably do that, actually. I should probably check what the robot.txt says. Is that it? Oh, is that really it? Oh, Geeks for Geeks. Come on, you're failing me. You're failing me, man. That's it, I think. Oh, no. Rip. HTTP. No, not HTTP. Because I was on this site. This was the site I was on. And this is to find the title, which is kind of what we want. We don't want the title, but we can change that for something else. And it's just this HTML.find, and then look, title index. I'm guessing that's them calling the variable, and it returns 14. Their source is this, by the way. So, oh, hang on. Maybe. I was an idea. Maybe it's because main here, well, body, has nothing in it, like the actual thing. Maybe it's because I need to open That... Could that be it? Like, I need to open the thing? Because in there's title is one thing. So maybe if I... it's here somewhere. That's not it. That's the wrong one. It's in main, and then if I go here, if I try and... So I need to get it in that. Wait, no, that's a different thing. This is confusing. This is confusing. Yeah, and, there's no ID in there either. Guess I could try and like get it in this div. So if I copy element, go back on here, unhash these, and then paste that in instead. Perhaps I forgot a comma. You know what? VS Code, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself down, my friend. Mi amigo, silencio. Yeah, guys, I think I should, yeah, I think I should add a comma. Maybe I forgot the comma, guys. I don't think I did. I think I just need to find the right thing. So, what if I have it for just one div? What if that happens? Should be so it's like it doesn't matter what I put in here, which is really strange. Right, extract the title of the webpage, requesting the previous example. Okay. If you know the index of the first character of the title and the index of the first character of the closing title tag, then you can use a string slice to extract the title. Okay, let's follow this along in full. How about that? So, we're gonna try it for... We'll try it for body. Body should return null, I think. Should it? No, because there's stuff in body. This is confusing me. I might find a different example. What's a web scrape? Beautiful soup. Beautiful soup. Hang on. Extract with regular expressions. Lacey, that looks like what we need. That looks more like what we need. Wait. Oh! I forgot to decode it. It's trying to... Yeah. You're meant to decode it, I think. You're meant to have this bit as well. Okay, we'll call this HTML2. We'll call this HTML2. And then we'll get rid of this for now because this is just completely useless to us. So this should wait. Oh, that's because that's in the example. We need just HTML. Okay, cool. And then so if we instead print HTML2, this should have passed it a lot. No, it hasn't. It's done absolutely nothing for us. That's actually like, yeah, it's actually done nothing. Hang on, what? Huh? Oh, for a very brief second, I thought this bit here was just like, just straight up the frequencies. I was like, bro, that's easy. That's done. Okay, cool. So HTML. So now we're doing this for HTML2 instead. Yeah, so if we do title index. Alright, so let's try this again. So title index html2.find. We're not finding that. We're finding main. This is the website update. So when the hertz changes, how will it print? Good question. We'll get to that when it comes to it. It printed something! Oh my god! Oh my god! It printed something. What if I do header? Did this just return header? I don't know if this is a good or bad thing yet. I don't know if this is a good or bad thing yet. Hang on, what the... Okay, it returned something though. That's the thing. I wanted to return... I would say something easy, but not... I don't think any of this is easy. Wait, made the print a comment. Oh! Yeah, that's a good point. I'm printing the wrong thing. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. I'm printing the wrong thing, but there's no error that came up that time. Which means... It works! It works! We're one step closer. So that's the index of where header is in the source code. And look, that kind of makes sense because look at that. that's all in the head. So and then so we're in the body, we're in main. Wait, can I just skip that straight to this then? Apply that at the start, the end. Start. To get the end, you just do the same thing but add the forward slash. So look, for example, to get the end of the header, you do this, and it'll hopefully print a different number. Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the header. So header's roughly 4,000 characters long. 5,000, I mean. So fun fact. So if I okay, hear me out. If I replace this with this, where'd my other? Did I? Oh, I got rid of the bracket. Whoops. So I do this. HTML2 title index. Okay. HTML2. Wait, are you sure it should be? Are you sure it should be as a list? Yeah. So that's the character it's printing. It is printing this specific character there. Hey Blip, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so that's what it's doing. Yeah, it prints the start. Yeah. Which is what we want it to. That's what we want it to. So then, in the example, to find it, you get the end of it, which will go like, so if add a forward slash here, it will do this one. I think. No. Okay. I think it's, no, so it does start of the header and then end the start of the end of the header. If that makes sense. Anyway, that doesn't matter for us because we're not using header, we're using this. I am going to change these to these, just so continuity's sake. There you go, cool. So yeah, that is finding that. 48.864? Nice, nice. Wait, 48.828. Very cool, very cool. So yeah, this should return roughly where this is in the code. No, it's not because I got rid of the wrong thing. Guys, I promise I know how to code. I promise I can do this. Yeah, so 40,560. So, if this starts tuning, we want up to the end of the P. That's where we want. Copy element. So then, we'll call this index 2 just because why not? So equals HTML2 dot find this. Wait. No. What do we want it to... I actually... That's not what we wanted to find. What do we want it to find? We want it to... We wanted that bit. We want... Yeah. So like... Oh, I'm copying the element. I need to copy the, So this should just be... Just look at this end bit here. And can I... Is this how you do this? Finds out the end of the first tag. Hang on. Minus 37. Okay, I don't... Oh, wait, I've got the wrong way round. Hang on, let me refresh this page quickly, otherwise it will keep recording me. Because it finds up the end... Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted it to do, and then accidentally added the other bit. So yeah, 500. So, but you want this bit specifically. I don't know how to do that. And then we want this bit to do... we want this bit to be the bit in the middle. So actually, no, that can stay as this. And then let me look at the guide again. And then so total index plus length. Oh, I see. So then start index equals title index plus length of... What was the length of? Oh, it's length of this. Which makes sense. So this should get all of it. And then this is... We'll call this end index. I want to keep it kind of the same to the guide, just so I know what's going on if something goes wrong. So this is HTML2.find. Yeah, so that finds that bit. And then we can say that, we'll call it frequency, equals, I'm just gonna just copy and paste that. Ignore me. HTML2. So, in theory, right now, this should return a null value. I didn't print it. Whoops. God, I can't spell. Okay, so it should return null. It returns null! So, £1,000,000 question right now. If I click start tuning and run it again. Okay. Here's the problem that I really didn't want to face, but I think I might have to. So, issue now. This is just the base website. So, this is just going to stay blank. I need to find a way where this thing can be in its activated state. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get it on and then copy and paste it to see if that makes a difference. But it's the same URL, so I don't think it will, which is a shame. So I want it in a particular state. I don't know how to do this. I don't think URL lib can do this. I think this might be something I have to do with Beautiful Soup. Yeah. I think this might have to be a Beautiful Soup thing. I'm just checking. So, because this has got the parser, but what it's doing is it's just opening it. Hey, man, how you doing? What's the stream? Remember, kinda? Yeah. Because what this is doing is it's just like, it is just giving us a dump of the base state of it, and you can't actually change it. Which we don't really want. We want it to change. Which is difficult. Because we've got the hard bit is, well, the relatively hard bit is done. We found it, and it's been passed. That's what we wanted. I was expecting a null value. Problem is, now increasing that value. Wait. No. Oh, hang on. I got an idea. So frequency equals... This isn't going to help us yet, but I'm thinking of in the future. Going stream before GTA 6? No, for real, Wilson. Genuinely, it's happened. It's happened. So they should replace frequency with nothing. Oh, hang on. It needs to print new. Yeah, Wilson, this is the Minecraft Clarinet. This is Minecraft Clarinet. We're working on the web scraper part of it. Why is it still... Oh, it's because... Let's be exact, doesn't it? Yeah, there you go. So, now... So, it returns nothing, which is great. That means it's scraping the website how we want to. The problem is the website isn't how I want the website to be at that specific instance. Because at the moment, it's the bit where it's not on. I need it to, like, update itself first. Which it only does when you click that button. I'm gonna look something up real quick, and it better be a thing. How to interact with a website using Python. So I just want to make it click a button. I just want to make it click a button. And once that button's clicked, that's great. That's all we need. That's all we need. Yeah. Reddit, come on, Reddit. Reddit might clutch up 11 years ago. Yeah, this is all I want to do. Splinter, okay. It does what we need it to do! It does what it needs to do! Selenium? I've heard of Selenium before. That's exactly what we need. That is exactly what we need. Right, please tell me Splinter is still working. Pip. Install Splinter. Yes! Yes, it's still a thing! Okay, import Splinter. We'll just keep it as Splinter. Does code still run? Yeah, great. How is this going to work with URL-lib, though? That's the thing. I guess if we get it to do it before... Right. Okay. I'll flip it back to code real quick. So I also need to do from Splinter import browser. Then we need to do I think would it be Splinter dot no, it wouldn't be Splinter dot is it Splinter dot browser? It is. Okay. Splinter.browser. And then browse, and then we have it. Browser. Oh, it has to be a capital B every time. So browser.visit URL. Something's not right here. No, it is right. It is right. Okay, so it's visiting the URL. And then it's hang on, no, I should be doing this before. To actually visit. Great, okay. That took a really long time for it to figure out that it wasn't a thing. Which does not bode well. Is this a thing? Is this a standalone thing? It is, I think. Please tell me. It's like, it's browser its own thing. It's taking a while to run. It's its own thing. Okay. Why is it opening in Firefox? I got I didn't even know I had Firefox installed on my PC. Okay, guys, guess this is going on Firefox then. So browser.visit. This browser here. So URL equals browser.visit that one. So we can get rid of this. So this opens Firefox. This needs to be a capital B. Okay. Just say no attribute visit. Hang on, when is this from? This is from like 11 years ago. I just realised that. 48.586? Nice. Hang on. This is from 11 years ago. I don't think this is still up to date. I think we'll use Selenium. Yeah, we'll use Selenium instead. I don't think this is still up and running. I think it's deprecated for Python 3, so yeah. No more Splinter, guys, no more Splinter. So import oh wait, I haven't installed Selenium yet. Oh, pip install Selenium. Okay, cool. Wait. Oh. I guess already installed. Okay, guess it's already installed. Right. Import Selenium as SE, just because why not? Shorten it. So driver equals WebDriver dot. We want, hell no, we want Opera GX. I think. I don't know if Opera GX is supported. Hope it is though. And then we've already got URL. That can be a multi-purpose. So this has got to all happen before it opens the page. This might work, but at the same time, I'm doubtful it'll work. So it's driver.get URL. So we're keeping the same variable. We're keeping the same variable. Then button equals. I'm just gonna copy and paste this because I can't be bothered to type it all. And then we're looking for. Why is this not coming up right? You know what? Fine. If it gets to an error, then it's okay. So we're looking for a button that is insect element. Where is that? Tuner. Alright, we're looking for. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Great. And then there's button dot click. So this should click the button before it opens the URL. Fantastic. Why is WebDriver not a thing? WebDriver is very much a thing. WebDriver is exactly what it is on here. Okay, I've literally just copy and paste it. WebDriver is not defined, but it should be. Hang on, look at Selenium documentation, because it might have changed. Simple usage? No, it's still. Yeah, it still very much is WebDriver, unless it's like just driver now. Oh, I need to import. Hang on, I'll just remove that because sometimes that ruins it. So from Selenium, import WebDriver. Here we go. I hadn't imported it. It wasn't imported. That's why. Has no. Yeah, I was expecting that. That's fine. Can we at least get it to open in like Google? How's the coding going? It's going all right. We've made some progress. That's be capital G, bro. So pedantic. Imagine. No, actually, Google. You're telling me that WebDriver can't be Google? Wait, does it have to be like WebDriver Google like that? Google's not defined, but it is. Okay, fine. You know what? Play your way. Firefox. Oh, but Firefox works. Great. Okay, fine. I guess this is all taking place on Firefox now. It opened. Oh, it opened. Oh my god. Guys, it opened. It opened. We're so back. We're so back. We're almost there. We're almost there. Now we need to get it to click the button. Because my find it by ID is not working. Yeah, but yeah, coding's going very good, Shorky. We have hit some minor road bumps along the way, but nothing that we haven't cleared yet. Right. Oh, I need to. So I need to figure out how to get it to click a button. That's why I can see what's to be announced a double. Oh yeah, I forgot that happened. Yeah, I literally scheduled it yesterday. I forgot. It was records. I mean, yeah, you give it a try if you want. Good luck, Blip. I'm sure you'll do fine. Yeah, so button equals driver find element by name. That's not a thing apparently. How to find an element selenium. There you go, finding web elements. We're in Python. Oh, it's okay, so it's I'm taking this from the example. It is that. Right, we don't want class name though, we just want name. I think. And then if we get rid of these instead. There we go. So that should, in theory, work. So this should delete the instance. Or we'll make a new one. Either way, yeah, it's going to make a new one. Okay. And then there should be no... Oh, driver's there twice. Oops. Okay. Well, it's got it understands find element now, which is more than we had going on in, a little while ago. By is not defined. Understood. Wait. It's its own class! Oh, it's its own class. Okay, cool. That's great. That's so good for us. That means we can just keep it as class underscore name. Because that is a class. That is a class. But it's by is not defined, which is strange. Because it should be... It should be by, but it's not. What if I get rid of by? What if I just keep class name? This is more progress than we had at the start of the stream, so... Class name is now not defined. Is it because of the comma? The thing is, I'm copy and pasting this. This shouldn't be a problem at all. Is it because these need to be in proper quotation marks? Yeah, driver find element by class name tomatoes. That's what the example is, not yeah. This is very strange. This should be working. Can I manually click the thing? I can manually click the thing. Which is good to know. However... Can I just get this to monitor all of it? Can I just get Selenium for the whole thing instead? That actually might be a solid shout. Once I get this to work. So Selenium... I don't know how old that is though, that's the thing. I don't know. I don't think it is a problem because unless it has to be by lowercase. No, it is by dot. That is what it's saying on everywhere I'm seeing. It's by dot. Unless it's not understanding class name. Maybe that's it? X path by name, yeah. No, it is class underscore name. This should work. But it's not. That's really odd. Yeah, I've got it written down letter for letter, but apparently by is not defined. But I'm going to try lowercase by. I don't think this will work, but it's better than trying nothing. That did not work. Great. But the thing is, it is by. Unless, like, I haven't imported everything I need from Selenium. Oh! You have to import by separately. That's so stupid. Why isn't that just built in? You have to import... You have to import it. Wait. Wait. Hang on. It's trying to... I just realised it's probably... Is it because... Like, do I just not need all of this? Because the example I'm looking at is for multiple elements. I just want one element. No? Okay. It very much wants, by class name. Wait, no it doesn't. It wants, what? By... This is, it's confusing me. By tag? Hang on, let me look at the options. So... Guess we could do it, because it isn't tagged, which is annoying. All I've really got to go off of is the class. Is the HTML... This is a really stupid question. Is the HTML different on Firefox? No it is not. No it is not. It's not different. Yeah, it's a button. That's really all I can say it is. But it expects one of CSS selector, link text, partial link text. Maybe tag name? I don't know, I'll try all of them. I'll try all of them. But it's like, by is not defined. Which can help you not smile for this kind of stuff. Yeah, this is kind of the point where it gets confusing. This is where the computer science bit very much comes into play. Why can I not import by? That's my question, because I feel like I need to do that. But for some reason I can't, and it's not telling me why. Hang on, let me copy and paste the example. Oh, but that works. Perhaps I forgot a comma. You're absolutely correct. I did. Thank you, VS Code. Don't throw any more errors, please. There were no errors! Oh, there were no errors! This is a joyous day. There were no errors. There were no errors. It works. It works. So that is problem number 1 solved. It now automatically starts tuning. Now, problem is, will I have to make it remember the decision every single time? Yes, I will. Okay, that might get annoying. But yeah, now that it's... Yeah, because I've got it monitoring it now. So if I just keep doing Selenium, if I just keep Selenium as the instance, so if we get rid of... This is going to pain me. This is going to hurt. But if we get rid of all of this, I'm not going to get rid of it fully. I'm not getting rid of it fully. Oh yeah, some of that I still need. Some of that I still need. So we're going to get rid of up to here. I'm not getting rid of it per se. I'm just moving it to a different file. This one I'm obviously not going to be using. So Now we just look to see, can you web scrape using selenium? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. We are in. We are in, boys. Alright, okay. So, we've got step 1 done. Oh, we get to use beautiful soup. I love beautiful soup so much. Yeah, beautiful soup is so good. So, let me do pip install beautiful. If I can spell that, would really help. Beautiful soup. Okay, that'll take a minute. Guys, it's happening again. Beautiful soup. It's please let me download it. And it's throwing errors. If I tried specifically to do Beautiful Soup 4, because that's the one in the example. Oh, whoops! I actually ran the code. Huh? Install. There we go. What's going on? Stuff. Beautiful Soup 4, please. Let's go. Okay, Beautiful Soup 4 is installed. Lovely. Do I really need to? Oh, I've already got that. Okay. So, I am gonna. We can get rid of these as well now. Look at my things I'm having to import. Right, from BS4 import beautiful. Oh, beautiful soup. I forgot the M. I actually can't spell. There we go. So import beautiful soup. Okay. So we're doing Firefox. So okay, right, we've got the URL. Now we use beautiful soup to pass. Okay, I'm gonna just copy and paste all this. And then we can just get rid of what we need. So keyword. I do not like the amount of things in that aren't valid. Yeah, I really don't like that. Oh, I need to install WebDriver Manager as well. Cool. Okay. Do I need to import that as well? Yes, I do. And I need to also. Oh, I've already imported WebDriver. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna like. I don't know if I'll need these, but apparently I do need them. So we'll get them just in case, because I think we might need them for this. And then I also need to import codecs and import re. Yeah, we're not doing Chrome, we're doing Firefox. So this should be Firefox import. Firefox. That's not a thing, apparently. Is driver manager a thing? Yes. Cool. Okay. Coding is going on. Exactly. Right, okay. So let's get rid of that now. I'm just going to run the code, make sure it still works. because, you know, don't want any errors to be thrown. Okay, everything has been... Okay, cool. Everything has been set up successfully. So... within the version of Chrome driver compatible with the browser being used, don't need to do that, because we're not using Chrome. Take the user to input... Actually, should we use Firefox or should we use Chrome? I feel like we should use Chrome. Yeah, should we use Chrome instead? Because I'm more used to Chrome. So... we'll use Chrome instead. And also this guide is in Chrome, so... it makes sense. So this should open in Google Chrome now, not Firefox. If it opens at all, that is. And it's not looking like it's opening. You know, guys, we're not using Chrome. I just got threats detected. Yeah, guys, we're not using Chrome. Firefox. Okay, Firefox. Yeah, we'll start Firefox. Make sure I've just imported that correct. Rip Chrome, yeah, for real. Yeah, okay, cool, that works. Nice. So, yeah, we're definitely not using Chrome, then. Right, we need to actually web scrape the page. So, if I can't... I think this is... page source driver page source. And if I get it to print page underscore source... that should do what we saw the last time, when it dumped the whole HTML. Yes, cool. Okay, it dumped the whole HTML. Brilliant. That works. God, how many libraries we've got now? We've got a lot. So these up here are for the gameplay, and then all of these down here are for the web scraping. I know, it's crazy. It's fine though, it's fine, because hopefully, yeah, you know, hopefully they all come into play. But yeah, we've scrapped using URL lib. We're going to use Beautiful Soup now, just because, you know, Beautiful Soup and Selenium work a lot better together. So this gets the URL, then it dumps the HTML. So we've got the HTML, which is great. Now, we need to parse it, which is this, I think. Why is this not working? Let me quote that. Okay. So, soup equals Beautiful Soup page source features HTML parser, which is, and then we're going to, wait. Oh. Wait, that should make a difference. That should make a difference. Because if it's running... you know, we'll go with it, and if it screws up, it screws up. So we want to... So, the example I'm using does have, like, an input, where you can input what you're looking for, but we're not doing that. So we want to look for... also... Oh, wait, no. Okay. What is it looking for? What is it looking for? Let me check. It's looking for this bit here. Copy element. There we go. That's the bit it's looking for. Okay. Why is there another bracket there? Oh, there's meant to be double bracket. HTML parser, is that not correct? I'm doing string literal. Oh, is it because they're two different things? Right. I think it was because, yeah, it was because there were two different things. Alright, cool. So this should open. Hopefully it doesn't throw an error. So if I allow... Okay, so... According to this, as far as I'm aware, this is this has got this. It has found that. Which is fantastic. That is fantastic. That's what we need it to do. And then I guess it's this. This seems like a really strange next step, but apparently that's what we do. Is title something I missed? No, title is not something I missed. It's just something there. You know what? Okay. Fine. Who am I to go against what it says? So, hang on. I probably want it to print one of these. If I get it to print... I'll get to print title, see what that does. Because hopefully it does it... Because it's not in a while loop. Okay, so that does actually straight up print the... That just does straight up print the title. So if we get to print matches, will it keep? So if I put this in a while loop, will this keep doing it? I think it will. Okay. Right, we're gonna have to do a... Thing is, I don't want to do all of this in one, but I think I will have to. Right, so, 1 equals A. No, A equals 1. No, we got... Yeah, 1 equals 1. No, 1 equals A. No, I don't want it to be AND. A equals 1. While A equals 1. This is where the stupid while loops come into play. This code is going to be so inefficient, but it's fine. And then we want to keep printing matches. So in theory... Shush. Quiet yourself down. Quiet yourself down. Right, so this is going to open it. It's going to start doing it. And hopefully, if this does what I think it'll do, when I click allow and start speaking... No, okay, it's still all empty. I genuinely thought there was going to be a moment of truth in there. How do I hear my fan getting louder. How do I stop? How do I stop it? I'll cause it to have an error. I'll cause it to have an error. Please, please, stop. Stop. No, no, stop the code. Stop the code. Please, no. How to stop code. VS Code. Please. I actually don't know. Control-Shift-C. Okay. Control-Shift-C. Please stop. No, that's System 32. F1, F1, okay. No. How do I stop the code from running? 1 minute spell. I don't know. Control-C in terminal. Oh, thank God. Bro, I could hear my fan getting progressively louder. It was terrifying. That was scary. That was scary. Yeah, keyboard interrupt. Nice. So, okay. The problem is, what I'd say is, right, I'm gonna get rid of this while loop for now, just because it's not, until I can get it to return a frequency. So the System 32, that was not good. Yeah, bro, internet literally lying to me for real. Right, so we've got it to print. We don't need to store it anywhere. We just need it to, like, print so I know it's changing. What if... Hang on, can I... Because this is in an open loop. Well, sorry, closed loop. So if I do that and, like, just don't close it, it will now hopefully be looking for the whole thing when it updates. Okay. Probably should have added the while loop back. A equals 1 while a... This is my favorite while loop, guys. Right. Yeah. So open this. So it's just like not doing anything, and then when I do this, okay, it's still not changing. I feel like though we're getting very slightly closer to our goal. We've got stuff open, which is more than we had before. And we've got it to kind of monitor a specific... Oh! I know why it's returning null. It's looking for text. Oh! It's looking for the text, that's why. So... if we just have it as... How? What if I just do soup? What if I print soup? What will happen if I print soup, guys? Okay, so soup is everything. Oh, it's trying to search in the body. Right, we need to make it search. Oh no, that is the right place for it to search. And then, so matches soup body find all. Yeah, so we just wanted to find all. Oh, this is tough. This is tough because this is trying to do it through text. Yeah. Right, okay. I've got an idea. So, I think we can scrape using a locator. So, we do what we did here. So, we get rid of this. So, I think that's what we'd do. Right, I'm gonna... I know this is not what I want. So we'll find it by class name. And it's not toc0. Not at all that. It is copy element. It is this, but let's get rid of this. That's the class we're looking for. And this here should take us directly to the frequency. So, I think we're looking for a double dash. That's what we're looking for in this test. If it prints a double dash, we are in. I don't think that's a double dash. Yeah, that's not a double dash, guys. Yeah, I'm not too sure that's a double dash. Why is that working? Why is that happening? Oh, is it because I have to make it .text? I have to make it actual readable text. HZ! HZ! Oh! While loop, while loop, while loop. Guys, this might be it. This might be it. A equals 1. While A is equal to 1. There is a non-zero chance that we've just done it. Please, 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 please. So this should continuously, it'll print HZ, but then, let's go! It works! It works! Oh my god! Oh my god, I got it to work! Guys, watch the screen! Watch the screen! Oh! That's what we wanted! That's what we needed! Oh! That is the hardest bit of this entire thing! Done! Oh! Let's go! Yes! Oh! We're done! Oh my... Guys! Guys! You know what's next? The next bit. That was... Okay. I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you enough how big of a W this is. That was by far the hardest bit of this entire thing. Because you know what's now next? It's mapping it to Minecraft controls. Which is the second to last thing that we've got to do. Let's get started. I am going to hash this out while I'm doing this, just so I can just keep testing. Because I don't really want this to pop up every single time. So, hang on, no, actually, I'm not going to hash this out, because we'll need it to keep going in the background. Especially when I get to performing the actual tests. So, first things first, I'm going to make a variable called, call it frequency again, which is matches .txt, to just make it a lot easier when it comes to it, so I can just print frequency instead. So now I can go while this is, so you can see this either as like a really cool moment, or you can see it as like a really boring moment. So while frequency is less than, right, what did I say our lowest note was? Did I not put it down? Oh, I didn't put it down, damn it. Right. I'm gonna have to do some playing around real quick. Uno momento, mi amigos. It's time to bring out the clarinet. Because I need to actually now play the notes to do the mathematical calculations. Yeah, it's clarinet time. Bro, I'm so happy. That's the part I had the most fear about. Because if I, like, and that's the make or break of the whole thing. So now, We can get rid of this now. So just see. So right, 145. So while it's greater than 1.5 and less than, oh I know, and frequency less than, what's the next highest? Be 155. Oh wait, hang on, I just realized, let's do equals freq dot replace hz with nothing, and then say in frequency equals in frequency. There we go. Just before we get ahead of ourselves. Oh. Pass for now. Just double checking this is still working. Oh, it needs to be float. There we go. I forgot. Yeah, we're working with decimals. I'm so used to doing with int. Cannot convert string to float? So the N word. Okay, Ethan. You are naughty. Or can I do? This is gonna sound really stupid, but can I do frequency equals frequency dot replace space with nothing? Is that something I could do to fix the error? Can I convert string to float? Let me try and print it before. Is it working yet? Yes. Even a little bit. Yes, it is. The web scraper is working. Now we've just got to tie everything together. Right, okay. What is actually... It's not printing. Alright, I guess it's not printing. Guys, guess we can't see what it... Oh, it's nothing. Oh, okay. If frequency... Oh, no, does not equal... nothing. Nothing. Yeah, that... Oh, I got it the wrong way around. Yeah, that probably makes sense. Yeah, you can't really make nothing into a float. That makes sense, you know? Okay, so this should open the page. Yeah. And then, yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's making them into floats now. Very nice. Okay, we can get rid of that. So yeah, now we can do... Right, here's the real test. So now if we get to print A, and so if I play an E, if I play here is the real test of this is what if this has worked. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up. Actually, I don't need to tell you, I'll show you. So I'm gonna open this up, and we're gonna get to the frequency bit. And when I play a low E, which for context is that note, it should print the letter A in the terminal, okay? Why isn't it working? Why is this not working? Okay, that's embarrassing. Oh, it's because these aren't floats. Is it because that? Put it in the while loop. It is in the while loop. That is in the... Oh, yeah. You are correct. You are correct. So all of this is in the original while loop. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay, let's try that again. So... We're not even there. Oh my god, Dark Raid. No way. Hey, Cobra Fang. Hey, Paisley. Hey, Dark. How you all doing? We're coding stuff right now. It's not a string, though! Bro, it's not even a string yet, man. So... Great. Okay. Give you some more Reddit posts. No. Nuh-uh. Instance of string and float. It's not a string. It's not a string. Hang on. Do I have to remind it that it's a float? Or it should somehow an A. Oh, that's a good point, yeah. Yeah, I can just do while true in it. Why is that in... Oh. Yeah, that's probably why. It's invalid syntax. God, convert string to float. It's not a string! Oh my god, it's not a string! It's an integer! Hang on, what is it? It's not even letting me get there. It's not even letting me get there. Oh! Oh! It's because it needs to be an if. Yeah. There's nothing. Hang on. I thought I'd fixed it. No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so how would I fix that? How would I go about fixing that? Do if frequency double equals... Okay. So, here. So double equals that, then comma. Equals 0 if it's blank. Yeah. Frequency equals 0.00, and then yeah, then else. Did it auto indent? That's crazy. There we go. Frequency equals float frequency. What here? Oh, sure. Well, yeah, thank you, Doc. Thank you. That's where it's the... Yeah. Yeah, and then I can just get rid of these. Okay. It's cast inside, yeah. Alright. This is done cover cooking, yeah. Okay! It might be working! It might be working! Right. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! It works! It works! It's working! It's working, boys! Now here's the real test. Here is the real test. Here is where pi key comes in. So pk dot press, instead of it printing A, it's gonna press A. You know what else we're gonna get up? We're gonna get Minecraft up. You guys are about to see some magic. You guys are about to see some insane magic. It's gonna be great. I am gonna do t.sleep as well, just so I have 5 seconds where I can get everything in situ. Also, the actual test itself won't be on Bedrock Edition. I'm just putting on Bedrock Edition because it's the easiest thing I have to load up right now. Because it's faster than it being on Java. Because then I have to open the launcher, I have to calibrate stuff. So, yeah. Bedrock I can just get on demand. So, yeah. So, we're going to boot into this world, right? So, so I'm controlling it right now. Everything all good. So, what's going to happen is I will continuously hold down... I'll keep playing a note. And I should just go like that, alright? That is the plan. That is the plan. Right. So... Hang on, let me stop that. Alright, make it so... I press for a tiny amount. Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, because it's going to do it, and then I need the t.sleep somewhere. I'll put it outside of the if statement. So this should, in theory, so it'll convert it to that. It'll wait 5 seconds, then it will check, and if it's still that, then it'll do A. I think I need 5. I don't think I need 5 seconds. I'll give it 3 seconds. Yeah. No, it doesn't need to be outside the entire while true. I don't think. Because this bit, it should only be going to once. Because afterwards, it'll just be that. Or, alternatively, actually no, I don't want to do that because then it'll start just spamming A. Wait, no it won't. No, it won't, because, no, this isn't going to happen automatically. It's going to happen manual input now. We don't need the sleep at all. So... hang on, no, I do need it here. T.sleep. Just 1 second. So I'll only do it for 1 second. So I could do pk.release key A. I don't think this is right syntax. There you go. Now it's right syntax. Okay. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Here we go. There are so many factors in this now. It's getting a bit ridiculous. So, remember this decision. Yep. Blue Snowball. Just for maximum quality. So, in theory, I do this. It works! It works! Fellas! Oh my god! Oh my god! It works! It works! And to prove it's not a fluke, if I turn this way, I'll start heading that way, okay? Watch. My plan! But they called me a madman! They called me a madman! Cut! It works! It works! They called me. They called me a Okay, I guess my frequency lined up. They called me a madman, boys. Stop moving. It's because it keeps picking up the frequency, so when I have my voice, if my voice still reaches the frequency of this, it will pick it up. Oh my god. Oh my... That's insane. I don't even think I need the release. I don't know. Oh, sorry, I don't need the sleep. So, really, now, this should be instant. Still moving? No. Wait. Wait, what? Okay, so it does it for a set... It does it for a set amount of time for some reason? Yeah, sleep's gone. Sleep's gone. Yeah, entirely, yeah. Deleted it all. But I think there might be an inbuilt thing with, Pikey, which makes it move for a, like... It's not, the key's not releasing. The key's not releasing. I think there still needs to be a tiny delay there. But, like, I mean, like, a very, very small one. Like, a tenth of a second, maybe. Maybe not even that. Maybe 0.01. Yeah, so a hundredth of a second. Oh, I know why it's not working. It's, never reset the thing, did I? Yeah, it still moves for a while afterwards. But that is a big milestone. Let me get some code to the website. It might be. It might be. Also might be the fact that I didn't actually stop the code. I just basically just redid it. So let me But that is crazy. That is crazy. So now the prototype, it isn't just like an automatic input. It just works. It does actually just work. Let's change the frequency. That's a good question. Let's test it. Let's see. Oh, okay. So the reason why is it doesn't change. The frequency doesn't reset to 0. It stays at the frequency until a different note is played. So there's no 0 hertz. So it's gonna be doing that input until you do something else. That's the reason. The background was like 10 hertz. That's a good point. Yeah. So also it can reset. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that actually. Tube. 10 hertz. This should be in the background. So. Oh no, it's because it's picking up my microphone. That's why. Bro, I'm actually such an idiot. In the background, after you finish that. That's a good point. Yeah. Or I could have like a default note I set to that's like rest, like release all keys. Yeah, that could also be something I could do. Right. So, yeah, it works now. Now what I've got to do is just, let's try this again for a different band. That's really all I've got to do now. So let's start tuning. Let's go to the one higher. Let's go to a regular F. Yeah, you can play different to stop it, yeah. Oh, hang on. Right, I think I have to do some tinkering here. This is going to have to go to 150. This is going to have to start at 155. Because the frequencies cross over just then. That's the, like the upper bound. We'll go to like 170 because we haven't got anything higher yet, so that's alright. We can have this. Hang on, we'll have this as W, and we'll have this as A. So now we've got half of WASD, and we'll see how this goes. I just can't believe that this works. I feel like I'm discovering, like, I feel like this is how, like, Newton felt when he, like, discovered gravity. That's how I feel right now. That's how I feel right now. I feel like I'm dawning on a new science. Right, so in theory now, if I do this... That is really glitchy. It's... Oh! I think I know why. It's stuttering the thing. Stop. Stop. Stop! Code! Quiet. Yeah, I think I know why. It's, That sleep, yeah, you're right, is stuttering the code. So we need to get rid of it. Because it's basically, it's stopping, starting, stopping, starting. And hopefully, to the human eye, if we remove that, it should be like a seamless stop and start instead of it being separated by an 100th of a second every time. Okay, we go back on the test. Okay, now it's not working at all. Right, I think... I think there might need to be an else statement in there somewhere. Oh, wait, no! No. Yeah, if we have an else here, then that's basically saying, if it's neither of these, then don't do anything. And that solves our problem of what happens if it maintains the thing. That's great. Look at the PyKey documentation. It's here, I think. No, that's not it. I think I was on it. Yeah, here we go. Right, okay, so... Here we go, press key none. Is it it'd be cool if there was a way to, like... When we're gonna get an orchestra to play Minecraft together. That'd be crazy. We do the real thing. That would be, yeah, that'd be a good idea. I think, though, I would do that by hand, because... Yeah, doing that for musical notation, that's going to be an entirely different thing, so I'll do that by hand. So, is there a way to, like, release key? Can I, like, say just release key, and then just say, like, oh, that's all of them? Is that, hopefully that's what it defaults to. I hope that's what it defaults to. It'd be unfortunate if it isn't. It's going to say, like, oh, 1 argument's needed, 0 provided. No, surprisingly not, actually, it's not. Great. Okay. You can see, and volume 50. I don't think there's a volume thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no keys are given. No keys are given. Okay, so you have to give a key. So what? Could we say, like, oh, release key... Is like, can I just drop it? That's above the house. That's above it. You need to get online volume sense when the clarinet stops, so the keystroke stops. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, we could do that. This privilege loves to perfect the code. That would be so cool. I'd love that. I would love that. Okay. It would be the game on a set scene or something. That would be so weird. That would be crazy. That'd be crazy. I don't think... I don't remember to fix it, to be honest. Yeah. But the thing is, it doesn't need to be fixed. I think it is just press key and release key. So that's all we really got to work with. I can, like, you can press in for a certain amount of time. Well, perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. Optimize. There we go. That's the word. Optimize. I got these orchestra members to see who could beat Minecraft first, but with music. Yeah, but no. So, all being considered, this is it working. This is it in practice. It just needs to have all the buttons now. You had a game, can you play it? Nah, I'm playing Minecraft with a clarinet. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll have a look at it later. It'll be just a sec. Nah. Oh my god! I could get the world's first death. Wait! Hang on, could I? Give me a sec. We could do that now. This won't be in the video. But that could be done now. If I just quickly code a bit, I feel like I'm gonna put the t.sleep back in because that seemed to like. Wait, hang on. Should I put the? You know, we won't have a t.sleep. So if this is, hang on, let me introduce our note numero 3. Okay, 164. So that's going to be 160. And that's going to be what's in 170. Then we press key space. This one we're not going to need a sleep for because it's not one of the movement keys. So it will be I want to only do it once. Get a speed on record. Well, I would say world record. World's first. Let's say world's first. And we'll actually I don't want to do toys. I don't know which one we'll do. It needs to be like a straightforward one. I don't want too much jumping. Like too many parkour sections. Gardens, maybe? Could gardens work? Could we do gardens? No, there's one parkour section. We'll have a look. We'll have a look in a bit. Right, let me just run this code, make sure it works. So this should be an F sharp. Yeah, what do you play Minecraft or clarinet? And the thing is, I could unironically say that as an answer. Right, so now, in theory, if I do this... It's not working at all now. Guys, I break the code. Because I think I broke the code. Oh! The key you're trying to press does not exist. Can I not... Will I have to map space to something else? Is that the problem? Can you not do space? Fine, you know what? I'll map it to... For the sake of this, I'll map it to something I wouldn't usually use. We'll map it to X. Because apparently space doesn't exist. How I missed jump? No, I haven't. Can you not? Oh, jump and fly up. Map to X. Okay, cool, that works. So this should run now. Goes to epic imploded. No, for real. Real, that's exactly what happened. Right, okay. So if I resume game, if I do... I actually think that time.sleep was actually, like, saving the code. Because it doesn't seem to be working anymore. I'll put it back in. I'll put time.sleep back in. Just because apparently... That was single-handedly keeping the code together. Oh, wait, is it because these are if statements, not elif? That might be it. Let me see. Well, there's mobile console PC and clarinet player. The only clarinet player, yeah. First, we need to spread the word about this. We need to spread the word. Right, okay, so... Fly now. Okay, for some reason it was the T.sleep. So if I... Hey, Mr. Hero Brian, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I want to try this out. I want to try this out now. So I haven't got mouse movement done, so I'll do mouse movement manually. Because I think that's a different situation that we're Chrono Crossing when we get to it. But we'll do /CS Death Run. I want a map. Also a map that doesn't have too much parkour, because obviously I just kind of want to run through it. What musical instrument is the best gaming controller? Exactly. Zoo? I think, no, Zoo's okay up until... No, it's not okay. Just remember the part of it. I think we'll go with toys. Yeah, toys is a classic. We will go with toys. Because obviously, I think the clicking stuff I'll do manually. Because we haven't got that done yet. But the movement and everything, we can genuinely get done. This is so stupid. It goes the wrong way! Hang on, give me a sec, give me a sec. This is so stupid. I can actually do that though, that's the thing. That's not jumping for as long as I want it to jump. This is actually so stupid, it should not be working. The Riz was a banker with the game. Nah, for real. Okay, this bit I'm gonna do like. Hang on. They're gonna tell W and jump. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good point because you can sequence inputs. Forgot about that. You can sequence inputs, right? Yeah, that's the only bit. Well, there's 2 bits actually. I'll skip myself. I can't believe this works. This actually works. Yeah, I'll do that eventually, yeah. I'm gonna skip this bit as well because you know can't time jumps that quick yet. Oh, I forgot my jump keys. X right now. Okay. Oh, is it because I'm not sprinting? It's because I'm not sprinting. Hang on, I'll do this bit on my own. Okay. And in 4 minutes, 40 seconds, I have just done the world's first, well, manual assisted, but clarinet death run speedrun ever in the world. That's so stupid. It should not work. It shouldn't work. But it does, and it's beautiful. And I think this is a perfect time to stop the code. And let's do our write-up of what we've done today. I just can't believe that it's actually worked. I started this as like a joke. What's this for everything? No, for real. This is the world's first, as far as I'm aware. Hang on. Minecraft on a clarinet. As far as I'm aware, I am the first person in the world to play Minecraft using a clarinet. Not like play the soundtrack, like play the game. Hang on. Minecraft gameplay on a clarinet. No, it's never been done before. This, I can confirm, is a world's first ever. I am the first person in the world to play Minecraft using a clarinet with some dubious but overall working code. I am literally 1 in 8 billion. I was the first person to do something, to a death run, speedrun blindfolded and get on the leaderboards for it. And now, I'm the first person in the world to play Minecraft using a clarinet. Mojang needs to get me a splash text. Because I have not single-handedly, I've gotten a lot of help from chat today. But us as a community, together, it has culminated in us actually making some code that plays Minecraft, that detects frequencies using a web scraper. This is exactly what I had envisioned. We kind of took like an hour detour trying to do it on URL lib. But it now works. So really, all that's left to do now. I want to keep this. I want to do this for 1 more week. Because then afterwards it's voiceover and editing. But all we got to do now for the code is map all of them to map all the controls I need to different frequencies, and polish the code. Make sure it's as responsive as it can be. Because at the moment, yeah, it's responsive, but it takes a solid like 1.5 seconds for it to respond. So we're gonna have to join the end. That's alright, De Bruyne, don't worry. So we're gonna polish that up, do a ton of testing, see what works, see what doesn't. But then, I can confirm it is time for me to make the video. Well, obviously I'm making the video now, but like, you know what I mean. You know what, like, actually like get it in editing and voiceover and whatever. Next stream is wildcard. Oh, I'm not finished yet. I'm not done yet. No, bro, I'm not done yet. I'm done on the coding bit for today. I'm gonna do a write-up of what we've done just so I don't forget. So, we don't need to do any more of that. So, does the website open? Oh my god, we're gonna have to show clip of tracking down HTML. Hang on, I've already got this up here. No. Right, okay. Show clip. Yeah, next stream is wildcard, which I am hyped for. Show clip of, what do we do after that? Testing URL lib. Show clip of giving up or not. No, I'm not ending stream yet. URL lib. Show clip of of testing Selenium and oh yeah, testing Selenium. Show clip of opening website and clicking button. And now show clip. Do I just okay, I'm gonna be completely real. This is why I am in computer science A level. It's so I do stupid stuff like this, and like I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. On Monday, I'm gonna go to my computer science teacher. I'm gonna say, "Hey, what's up, sir? You wanna know what I did this half term? I played Minecraft on a clarinet with a program I coded from scratch." And he's gonna be happy. He's gonna be happy. Show a clip of testing beautiful soup. Show clip of finally printing the correct frequency. Cool. We don't need this day anymore because that's going to be in day 3. We do need this. Show clip of we showing clip of we don't need this day either. We don't need this day either. Hang on, we're basically done. We haven't done that bit yet though. That's gonna be next week. We'll do all or nothing. So show clip of first working. Show clip of the first working prototype. Then show clip of world's first death run. Death run with clarinet. Side mission. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Side mission. And then, oh, I need some voiceovers for these. After the simulated... After the key press was successful, it was time to think about... Right, yeah, now some say I'm decent... Nah, I could say the coldest line ever. I can be like, I'm known for getting world's firsts. Let's get another one. Do you know where you're going to end? After I finish writing this up. So, it can range anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour. Depending on how productive I am. It was time to think about getting this all to work together. 2 hours then. I will not be streaming in 2 hours. I'll be long gone. That's where the part I have dreaded comes in. It's time for web scraping. Hang on, no, I think it'd be funny if I do the if I show the clip of where it says I'm it might be illegal. Show clip where I discover it web scraping can be illegal. I misspelled that. Illegal. There we go. That's how you spell that, right? Yeah. It's time for web scraping. ... Okay, cool. That's that bit done. And then here we go. We're on the home stretch. Now. This is. Oh no, the worst my coverage yet. Minecraft Live 2024. Nah, for real. Alright, and then I'm reviving the Minecraft community with this project. Right, the worst is now behind us. The rest of this project is just getting everything to work together. And polishing the code. Where's the Clarinet update? Bro, they need Clarinet support now. Minecraft with what? Nah, for real, I'm about to be like, okay, if I get this, like, video to, like, pop off, then this could be one of the greatest videos in Minecraft history. I could be a king for a few days. Where else did we get to? Show clip of first working prototype. That's really all we did. That is all we did. Okay, that's where we're up to then. I think a lot of this stream was spent in this. Basically, everything here was done this. Everything here was done this stream. Better idea this is. No, this is actually this might be the greatest idea I've ever had. Like I've had some ideas, but this is the greatest one I've actually started to execute. I'm so glad you guys are happy with me like streaming the progress of this, because I had gotten up to here. Once I got up to here. Oh no, sorry, I got up to here, right? And then I was like, alright, now I've actually got to do this. And I just couldn't be bothered. So I'm so glad, because now we've just got this. This is the only last bit of actual work I've got to do. This bit is just, this is the payoff. Day 9's the payoff. So really, now we've got polish the code, get it all working, survive a full day using a clarinet, outro, done. Then, voiceover, editing, thumbnail, SEO, out. And we're good to go. This will take a month and a half, I'd say. I am the best Clarinet Death Run player on Earth. That has been confirmed tonight. I am the greatest in the world at Clarinet Death Run. She can't quit. It's quicker than... No, the thing is, I've always known the code itself is not going to take that long. Like, what? If you think about it realistically, this has taken, what, 3-4 hours? But like, yeah, it's taken a week, but 3-4 hours if we're considering the length of the streams. So it's not that bad. It's just I needed something to like motivate me to do it. Because I've just kind of been sitting here just... Especially now that I started Red Dead Redemption. Like, bro, you're not pulling me away from that game. I'm going to tell you how many hours I've got in that game. Keep in mind, I've had it for less than 2 weeks. It's not even... Actually, it's just over... Just under a week and a half. And I've already got, like, 35 hours in it? Or something like that. It's stupid. But the game is so good. So, like, nothing's pulling me away from that for a while. Best musical gamer. I actually am, though. That's the thing. 34.4 hours in Red Dead in the past 2 weeks. I know, it's crazy. Cooking. I am actually cooking. Anyway. I think we've done more than enough this stream. I think you guys won't mind if I leave it here. Use Fortnite now. No, and the thing is, no, the greatest thing about this is this can, as long as the control scheme is relatively similar, this can work for any game. I just chose Minecraft because I'm a Minecraft channel. I could do this for any game. All I need to do is just change the inputs. We use Fortnite for homework, for real, yeah. DM. I'll play your game later. I've got to go food. KFC Dixon. No, I could do this for any game now. That's the thing. That's the greatest thing about this. I just need to change all the inputs. Which can take like 10 minutes. It's crazy. I actually can't believe I've got this working. I feel like there's something about this. I genuinely think this is probably one of my greatest achievements in YouTube. Being fired by a water girl with a clarinet. No. I'm going to show my computer science teacher this. I'll show him the video. Fun fact. Someone in this stream someone in this stream I know in real life, and they're in one of my classes. So, yeah, they already know. Papa's Pizzeria on Clarinet. You are so correct. Oh wait, hang on. I've kind of neglected one thing. We haven't done the mouse movement yet, but that should be okay. That should be fine. We'll do that when we map all the controls. That shouldn't be a problem, as long as the library I'm using lets you do it like by increments instead of setting its go-to position. So as long as it's like that. Oh wait, no, I know it's like that because we've already got it. I completely forgot. We've done so much there. I completely forgot we've already set up the mouse. Yeah, yeah, we have got it then. Right, excellent. Let's do top chatter then. I think we're at a fitting end. Right, so at number 1 is History Master with 261 messages. Number 2 is De Bruyne with 228. Number 3 is Kurt, I think, with 215. Number 4 is Blip with 191. Number 5 is Alex with 124. Number 6 is Luna with 104. Number 7 is Tom Sutton with 77. Number 8 is Ethan with 48. Number 9 is Samar with 45. Number 10 is Quack with 41. Number 11 is Kevin with 38. Number 12 is Shrek Games with 33. Number 13 is Shorky with 31. Number 14 is Noah with 26. Number 15 is ZVQTW with 24. Number 16 is Jordan's Cringe with 21. Number 17 is Warden with 20. Number 18 is Dark with 17. Number 19 is Alex with 15. Number 20 is Keel with 15. Number 21 is Super Yoshi Man with 15. Number 22 is Rafe with 14. Number 23 is Sam with 11. Number 24 is Smuck YT with 10. And number 24 is Davo with 9. Right. This has been a very productive stream. It's been a very good stream. We've made a ton of progress. I can't stress enough now. We are well over 3/4 of the way done. We are very, very far into this now. Far enough where I can't scrap it now. There's too much work put into it already. I'm not scrapping it. This is happening. This is real. I just played Minecraft with a clarinet. So yeah. in an ideal world, by the end of next stream, my script will be finished. Testing might not be finished, but the script will be finished. So that means I can go straight to voiceover, I can go straight to editing, and hopefully, maybe even at a push, I could get this done by the end of March. The reason, if I was still using CapCut, I'd say it could be a few weeks, but I'm learning DaVinci Resolve now, so add on like another week for me to get myself used to DaVinci Resolve, because I've never used it before. The only thing I've used it for at the moment is, you remember like last month I made like a ton of shorts and just put them out daily? They were all done on DaVinci Resolve, but that was like 4 buttons. That would barely scratch the surface of what I could do with that software. So, yeah, I'm going to take a week to learn it all, and go through it, obviously. And then, yeah, I'm hoping by the end of March this will be done. Give your laptops for. Yeah, I'm on PC now, so my 32 gigs of RAM can handle it. Anyway, thank you for being here. Have a good rest of your week. Remember, Hive Wildcard is on Sunday. Stay tuned. Be there. It's going to be fantastic. We haven't actually got that many new people, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you all soon. Thanks for joining. Keep on gaming. Stay safe. Bye bye.